my Mac Mini, and today we're going to upgrade the RAM from 4 gigs to 8 gigs. Now I'm going to look at this right there. We're going to move that tab, that one there, to be there so we can unlock it. So the way to do that is you put your thumb here, your other one there, and twist it until you unlock it. So, alright, so I had to put you down for a second, and we've done that already. Now when you do that, cover comes off and it reveals the Mac Mini's fan and the RAM. So what you do is you pull the little tabs on the side and the RAM will pop out. You do the same for the bottom one. Alright, I'm back. Now we're going to put the RAM into the little slot there, and we're going to push down on it so it's on an angle still, and once you push down it locks it up. And then you put the one on top, push it in, and then you push the tab down, and that's all locked in. And you put the cover back on. So what you do is you align it with the dots here, put it in the lock position. Alright, so now I've put it in place, and we're going to twist it, and that way it's locked. So now we're going to plug it in and check whether the RAM is running. Alright, so now we are going to power the beast on and check whether everything's running. So it seems to be loading up. It usually takes a little bit longer when you change the RAM or a hard drive for it to start up, but it should be up and running in a sec. Get into the login screen, and from there we'll log in and we'll check. Alright, so we're on the login screen. Type in your password. Am I in the right house for the tutoring? And we're in. So the Mac Mini is already started and booted up. So we'll go to the top here. We'll go to about this Mac, and as you can see right there, we'll focus on that. 8 gig of DDR3 RAM. So we successfully added an extra 4 gigs to what we had before. Later on, I'm probably going to upgrade the RAM again, get 32 gigs on my Mac Mini. My actual PC has 12, which is that one there. It runs Blu-ray burner, DVD burner, another DVD burner, and it has it's running at 3.6 gigahertz, but I've clocked it at 3.8. Sometimes it plays up a little and becomes a bit unstable, so I've put it back to 3.2. The stock is 3 gigahertz, quad core, runs Windows 7, and I'll just show you the RAM that I got on it. Alright, so right here in a sec. As you can see here, 12 gig RAM. Which gets me a 7.4 for my RAM, which is pretty good. And then on my little laptop here, I've got a compact which basically runs which basically runs 8 gig as well. So that's how you change a RAM in the Mac Mini. Sooner or later I'll upgrade that RAM. These days it's very cheap to find RAM. There's 2 sticks, costed me $58 for the 2, and they were on special. So it's a very cheap upgrade for any computer, Mac or Windows.